Welcome to NxtEdge by DiningEdge. On today's training we will be looking at how to add new products to your system. There are many ways to add new products based on where in the software you are. They all do the same thing, just on a different screen. Today we will be covering the product list, order edge, order from OG and the purchase page. First let's review what is a product. A product is a raw material also known as an inventory item. It is the generic name for an ingredient that you buy. It is not the vendor's description. It is what you refer to it as when you are talking about the product. Example, if you are going to add medium gloves, you would call it gloves medium, you would not call it powder-free, latex, black medium gloves. Now if you have latex-free and latex gloves, then maybe you would call it gloves, latex, medium. Eggs you would say egg large or egg extra large or just egg. There is no right or wrong, just how you refer to the product. A good rule is, if you serve it to the guest or use it the same way, it is the same product. Another example. You buy brand name sweet and low packets and the generic sweet and low packets. You use them the same, so it would be called sweet and low or sugar substitute pink. You would not have one product for sweet and low packets and sugar substitute pink packets, it would not be two separate products. This example can apply to liquor as well. If the vendor subs absolute 750 ml for a 1 liter, you can add a new product or you can put the 750 under the same product and convert the 750 to the liter by entering 0.75. This is up to you, but it should be consistent. So to recap, a product is what you call it. Don't add products if they are already in the system. We want to keep the database free from duplicates. Now let's talk about the attributes of a product. They include the product name, category, standard unit of measure, storage, and sequence. The product name is what you call it. Many people use a naming convention when adding products to keep the list organized. All reports are alphabetic by category and by product. Before entering a new product, you may want to look at other products like the one you are adding. Example, if you are adding a dressing, do you name it dressing blue cheese, or do you want blue cheese dressing? Keep it consistent. Do all of your cheeses start with the word cheese? Do cups start with cup or do they say 12-ounce cup? Make sure you understand the naming convention that your database was written with. Do you use commas between words or spaces? Do you use all caps or does each word start with a capital letter? Naming convention is so important to keep a clean database. Now let's move on to category. Categories allow you to search and sort reports. They are also used to link GL codes if you are using our accounting integration. Watch the accounting integration training for more information on this. Select the category that applies to this product. When the database is set up and you are using both food and beverage, then food and bar are added to the categories for easier searching. Some people add a number to the front of the category if you want your categories to be next to each other on the report. You can rename categories under Manage Items, Categories. Next we have standard unit of measure. Standard unit of measure is how you manage this product. It is not how you buy it, it is not how you use it in your recipes, and it is not how you want to count it. All of these are converted back to the standard unit of measure. Typical standard units of measure are gallon, pint, quart, pound, 50-count sleeve, 24-count pack, 750 milliliters, liter, 12-ounce bottle, dozen, 12-count case, 500-count case, pie, or anything else that describes the product. Non-typical standard units of measures are each, case or unit. We strongly recommend staying away from these standard units of measure. Storage is where you store it for inventory counting. When inventory is set up, your account manager will work with you to set up storages. Select the appropriate storage or storages from the list. You can sequence the products added to the storage under product list or storages. Lastly is the sequence. Sequence apply to order edge. If you are not ordering in NxtEdge, you can leave this blank. If you are ordering, then you want to keep the grid organized. Search for a product that this new item will be stored next to and add the number you want this item to be added. You can resequence the grid through an Excel upload, on order edge and on the product list. Call with your account manager if you want more information on this. Now that we have defined all the attributes, now let's look how to enter. First we will add a product on order edge. Click the plus. Add new product. Enter the name, Select the category or add new. Select the storage if you are using inventory. Add in the standard unit of measure. Click the pencil to sequence the product. Search for the product you want this product next to and enter the number. Click Save. Next we will add a product on order from OG. This allows you to add the product and link it to the vendor item at the same time. Type a new product name in the Engage field. And then click Add New Product. Enter the name. Select the category or add new. Select the storage if you are using inventory. Add in the standard unit of measure. Click the pencil to sequence the product. Search for the product you want this product next to and enter the number. Click Save. And now you can link it to the vendor item. Next we will add a product on the purchase detail page. This is used to add products as they come on an invoice. Invoices that have a red icon indicate they have new vendor items on them. Select the invoice. Click the red Engage product icon. Start to type the new product name. And then click Add New Product. Enter the name. Select the category or add new. Select the storage if you are using inventory. Add in the standard unit of measure. Click the pencil to sequence the product. Search for the product you want this product next to and enter the number. Click Save. And now you can link it to the vendor item. And lastly we will enter on the product list page. Click on Manage Item. Product List and then click Plus New Product. Type a new product name in the Engage field and then click Add New Product. Enter the name. Select the category or add new. Select the storage if you are using inventory. Add in the standard unit of measure. Click the pencil to sequence the product. Search for the product you want this product next to and enter the number. Continue adding new products as needed. This concludes the training on adding new products. Remember, a clean database will make using the software much easier. Call 561-880-2970 to schedule one-on-one training.